Please, a big round of applause, please.
They have made our institute proud by emerging as winners of some of the most challenging events in technical field. To be awarded by His Excellency, we now call winning team of Thar 2017 at RTU Kota for their project Automatic Trolley Systems. Winners at IIT Bombay Tech Radiance for their project Line Follower Robot. Selected for international level of World Robotic Olympiad 2017 in Costa Rica, USA for their project Pick and Place Autonomous Robot.
We now call academic toppers in the respective fields. Year first, branch Computer Science Engineering, Dedra Sharma. MBA Nisha Bojak. Computer Science Engineering, Yashishvi Sharma. Civil, Tara Chand Kumawat. Mechanical Engineering, Satish Dhabai.
Electronics and Communication Engineering, second year, Shubham Kasera. Electrical Engineering, Kaushal Jangir. MBA, Sarita Kumawat. BM, Riya Agarwal.
नीचे रखो इसको। अरे नाम बोलते जाओ भाई, नाम बोलो सबको।
Computer Science Engineering, third year, Simran Jain.
Third year Civil, Rishabh Dev. Mechanical Engineering, Dheeraj Soni. Electronics and Communication Engineering, Neha Dinwa. Electronic Engineering, Basant Gora.
चलो चलो अब बोलो बैठ मैडम साइड में मैडम साइड में ये लिखिए बार तो वीडियो के 2 बार से दिख रहा है ये बोलो ये बोलो
From third year BM, Siddharth Jain.
Fourth year Computer Science Engineering, Sakshi Agarwal. Civil Engineering, Himanshu Digarwal. Mechanical Engineering, Pankaj Jangir. Electronics and Communication Engineering, Seema Bharti Kumawat. Electrical Engineering, Bagaria Madhu.
हमारे छोटे भाई की लड़की है सरवण की बेटी है सरवण की बेटी
We now call winning team of Sobha Saria Premier League 2017 Mechanical Fighters.
स्पोर्ट्स हैं
Runner-up team of Sobha Saria Premier League 2017 CS Developers.
जोरदार तालियां जोरदार तालियां Okay.
Awarded with Golden Bat, Rahul Thalor. Awarded with Golden Ball, Amjad Khan.
अब ये लास्ट है तो जोरदार ताली से स्वागत करिएगा और निर्मल
A big round of applause for all the achievers and winners of Sobha Saria Group of Institutions, and a big thank to all our honorable guests and respected teachers. It is with great enthusiasm, pleasure and respect we have the opportunity of welcoming such a noble personality as our chief guest today. Presently sworn in as the 24th Governor of West Bengal, he has also served as former Governor of Bihar, Meghalaya and Mizoram state. He was 6 times elected as a member of the UP Legislative Assembly and was 3 times unanimously elected as
who has just now left for some urgent work, Sri Ratanlal Jaldhari, MLA of Sikar, Shri Rajen Tariq, who is also gone because of some urgent work, Shri Swami Suvedhanand Saraswati, Member Parliament Speaker, Dr. Prem Shankar Tripathi, Shri K.B. Agrawala, Shri Sunil Kumar Moore, Shri G.B. Agrawala, distinguished guests, faculty members, my dear students, ladies and gentlemen. It is a matter of great pleasure for me to be here with you, to be a part of the 19th Foundation Day of Shobhacharya Group of Institutions Speaker. At the outset, I congratulate all the students who are going to receive BTech and MTech degrees in near future after successful completion of the rigorous training in the institute and will step into their professional life. Dear students, there are enormous challenges and opportunities waiting for you in the whole world. It is for you to face these challenges and work with unwavering dedication to make your contribution to the human society. A mighty banyan tree that provides shade and shelter to thousands grows from a humble seed. Similarly, Shobhacharya Group of Institutions is growing into a big banyan tree with justice. In this monumental work, the country looks up to its youth power to lead from the front. There are enormous challenges and opportunities waiting for the youth. You have to face these challenges and work with unwavering dedication to make a specific contribution to society. Being one among the oldest technical institutes of Rajasthan, Shobhacharya Group of Institutions, since its inception in 1999, has been growing at a steady pace. Within this short period of time, it has been able to build up a team of highly talented and motivated faculty members who have come from different parts of the country after having received training from premier institutions within the country as well as abroad. A range of exposures and socio-cultural backgrounds, giving them a broader view and allowing them to prepare themselves to face the world ahead of them. The students from outside the state also carry along with them a part of the culture of Rajasthan when they graduate and become, in a way, extension of this state wherever they go. The state needs its youth to be well trained, skilled and motivated. There is need for their entrepreneurial spirit to be awakened. There is need for them to be guided to find their path. The educational institutions in the state have an important role to play in these. Shobhacharya Group of Institutions, being an institution of technology, should play a crucial role in this respect. In addition to training the students to become engineers, it is working towards creating entrepreneurs and job creators in some of them. I am told that under the corporate social responsibility, the Institute organizes blood donation camps, winter-affected relief camps, rain-affected relief camps, and other such activities for helping the deprived and needy people by distributing blankets, clothes, raincoats, food material, etc. among them. The Merit Cum Means scholarship of the Institute reveals the philanthropic attitude of Shri Agrawala for H.R. Agrawala for inviting me to this 19th Foundation Day of the Institute. I have no doubt that this young institute will develop into a destination for technology, education and research in the country and bring lots of glory to the state. I wish the institute a very bright future. Thank you. Jai Bharat.